Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Milani new highly rated anti-gravity mascara. And I realized I've never tried out a mascara from Milani, but I love the brand Milani. And this is one of the little samples that I got in the gift with purchase that I got from my recent Ulta haul. But this really is super high rated, almost 5 stars. And I love that it's supposed to be smudge proof, clump proof. It has nourishing castor seed oil, which really can help your lashes grow. And it's supposed to give volume, length, and lift. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and at Ulta it cost $12, I believe. But okay, I'm very picky with my mascaras, but I love to try out different ones, so I'm so excited to see how this is going to be. First, let's check out the wand looks great. It's the silicone spiky type of bristles, but in this hourglass shape. Ooh, okay. So I'm going to just go ahead and start applying it to one of my eyes. That way, I like to be able to compare the difference. Ooh, I like this wand right away. Like the spiky bristles really do coat every lash. And it's going on with some good volume already, like a thick first coat. Ooh, and the shape is good for getting these hard to reach outer corner lashes. And I feel like it's already making the lashes look really good and like they're built up already. Good separation, staying fanned out. I did get a little mascara on my eyelid, ooh, and somehow on my under eye. And it wipes away pretty easily. A little slight bit of smudging, but an easy cleanup, which is important to me with mascaras now. I'm definitely going to try and layer up those top lashes, but before I do, let's see how it works on these lower lashes. A little bit harder to reach, I'd say, with this wand. Like I'm kind of struggling to get every lash coated. So it works, but not my favorite for the lower lashes. I think it's the hourglass shape, which makes it hard to reach those lower lashes. But let's see now how I can layer up the top lashes. It is nicely buildable. Definitely great volume and separation, which is something that I really look for in my mascaras, and this is so good. No clumping, and it's really easy to brush through, really comb through the lashes with this wand. And I think I'm getting some good curl and lift as well from this wand. And it is so buildable and quickly buildable too. Like just going over it a few times gets the lashes so volumized yet not sticking together, which that is exactly what I was hoping for. And I think this really is lengthening because the tips of the lashes are really nicely coated and extended. Yeah. So, oh my goodness, my lashes look so good. I seriously understand the high rated claims. Like this is seriously exactly what I look for in my mascaras. Great volume, buildable, separation, curl, lengthening, and not smudging, not too messy at all on my eyelid. Let's go ahead and see how it is on my other eye, because I'm really thinking this is a new favorite mascara for me and at a pretty reasonable price point for mascaras these days. Wow, yeah, I love how full the lashes look. So here are my finished lashes, and I think they look so good. I try out so many mascaras, and this is really what I try to achieve. Great volume, separation, everything that this claims, it's really doing, which is kind of rare to find. So I'm so excited about this. If you've tried it out, let me know what you think of it. Do you think it should be high rated as well? But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.